afternoon, everybody. Hope you're all keeping safe and well. My name is Niall, and I am the sales technical consultant for a company called Nova Visa Distribution Ireland, where we have launched very unique, very exclusive products to the Irish UK market. Today I'm going to talk to you about a very unique product. It's taken a lot of time putting it together. Again, I would like to thank Peter and all the crew in the lab. Today we're going to talk about our Spa Master Professional Salon line. Very unique product, just 5 products in the range, all with a natural pH of between 4.4 and 5.5, close to the natural pH of the scalp and the skin. We have our hair and scalp mask, pH 4.4. We have our SIBO control, pH 5.5. We have our hair and scalp tonic. We've got our anti-dandruff shampoo. And we've got our sensitive scalp shampoo. All sulfate free. A mixture of tea tree, eucalyptus, menthol, and a very unique herb called sumac. All our products are available to purchase online, www.novavisa.ie, or you could purchase through your local hair salon or beauty salon. Again, if you'd like your local hair salon or beauty salon to stock any of this range, have them contact us and we can have the product on the shelf in 3 working days. Keep safe. Thank you.